The first problem come to light, the door put on back way. That's the rubber that should be on the interior. This door knob should not be here. This shouldn't open outside. Check out the interior. You see the piece of metal? Your hinges is not supposed to be outside. Anybody can take those out. Just screw them off. Jesus Christ, yeah. And take out the door. No, see the metal here? This metal is where the stop door should sit on. Eh? Even this wall is crooked because, see here they have a 2x4 brace in the door, but up here is just some shivs, I forget what they call those things. Yeah? It's not straight. And over here, the 2x4 is at the top, and it narrows down here. So I highly doubt that the door is what is not square. I think the wall is shifted that way, and they just didn't bother to try straighten it. Anyway, see the zinc turn up for the roof. Me think say about roof and siding did come because pa my plan, them have metal siding. Yet, them give me vinyl for some reason. And I tell me say a mistake. But a metal de pa my plan. So me did think it this come. But this are only the roof. Them I bring some additional wood to connect everything to the building as well. So now them just are carrying the zinc and everything from the front yard to the backyard. This is when them start put on the roof. So now see them put the cladding in place and everything. You can see the tip of the zinc up there so. Now you can see the door put on properly. They get a replacement door and them reinstall it. So now it has swing inside. And the hinges, of course, are inside. So then claim say them have pour concrete on the interior floor today. So then come pick up two of the big rock stone out of that heap. Yeah. Don't know why. Because that don't look no better than how it did stay. And then come here so come level out that gravel from how it did stay. So them go pour concrete on here so now. Then work back with you though, me not tell no lie. So this is the setup now for the concrete. The pipe this I got carrying the concrete from out at the front with the cement mixer truck there. So after them done pour the concrete on the gravel, then bring this sit down in here so if you can dry that all night. All night it out there. And then look here now. And my power them I use or everything what them I do, you know. Them not try to get no contractor power. Now they lock this door for me not see. We'll peep through the keyhole. So that's how concrete look like when it dry.